name's Paul Murphy and I have a passion for hats. I've got something a little bit different here today because I've made quite a few of these open road Cattleman Crease hats for American clients, and they've been very pleased with the results. So I thought I'd make a few for the UK, and I'm buying the felts from Fepsa over in Portugal, stiffening them up a bit. Can you hear that? These are really quite stiff. I've kept the actual centre of the hat here still stiff, but not quite as stiff as the brim. And this is a sort of a creamy beigey colour. I particularly like it, and I've tried to make it a bit more English, if you like, by putting a darker trim on it. So it's got a 15mm Grosgrave trim on both the crown and the brim, and you can probably see there, nice little relief on the side. Typical Cattleman crown with the crease down the centre and the two indentations at the side, and inside we've got a lovely custom liner from myself. Now, as with all of our hats, these come in our hat boxes and they fit nice and snug inside there. But who would believe that something like that beautiful hat can come from something like this, which is our sort of basic felts that we get across from Fepsa. I mean, these are Western felts, 210 through to 200, I think it was a 240 gram. This particular one that I've made this hat out of is a 210 gram, so it's quite a mid-range Western felt, and it's 100% rabbit fur felt, and yeah, it's a real good sort of working man's hat. I mean, to be fair, not going to be used as a working man's hat, is it? This is going to be used for somebody that just wants to be a bit stylish, and I think this one actually does fit me, so let's have a look. And let's measure it up first of all, and as I say, we stick that in there, and it's 7 3/8, which no doubt you can see there, which is a 60, and there we go. What's nice about these open roads is that the front comes down, so that you've got a hat that looks like a cross between a fedora with the brim sweeping down at the front here, and the Cattleman Crease for a cowboy hat. So it's a nice hat. Look, it's not everybody's taste, and it's not necessarily worn very often here in the UK, but it's a very nice stylish hat for a bit of fun, and yeah, ready for the next owner.